everybody, good morning. It's super early right now. We're about to head to Austin Park and Pizza for Pistons at the park. So it's gonna be a fun day, good car meeting up with a couple of friends, waiting for them now. Kobe.
Get it, boy!
He playing. He was like, I can take on a Supra. I got this.
That Supra ain't got shit on
Right,
me.
alright. He's like, bye! Like, he didn't even try. He was like, I can't do that eco boost.
Yeah, that Supra's like, dude, I'm 90 years old. Leave me alone.
Right. I ain't about that life.
Like, dude, that was like so 20 years.
Alright, so we made it to Austin Park and Pizza. We got Kobe parked right there. He's actually chilling right there. Alright, gonna go see what cars are here and check everything out. Let's go, Kobe. Goals, bro, goals. The yellow one does. Alright guys, so that was the Austin Park and Pizza, Pistons at the Park. A lot of cars out here. Saw Shag from Iron Resurrection, Motor Trend. Pretty cool dudes. We've met a lot of cool people out here. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Until the next time.